What's good, everyone? So today we have CPI coming up in like 17 minutes. So we do expect some movement on prices of different instruments. Yeah, we do have currencies, we do have indices. Also, we do have the commodities like gold, precious metals, yeah, like gold, silver, and so on and so forth. So our first thing is to first consider the XDY. So the XDY, we'll be using the XDY to identify the direction of the market. So the general direction of the market. Based on the XDY, the general direction of the market here, weekly. Okay, we see weekly we have, all right. Yeah. We see bullish structure from weekly. Also, when we go to daily, still bullish because price has closed above this point. We don't have any shift. Also, price confirmed structure breakout from this point, of which now we do expect some more movement to the upside direction of the market. So I'm looking for the possible setups that will guide us to get anything from the market. But for yeah, okay. It's bullish. So if this market is bullish on weekly, as I said, we have bullish market, but whenever we go on daily, we see price confirmed structure. This is our structure. So for this case now, we're expecting price to fall down a little bit. Then proceed to the upper direction based on the market structure here, because price confirmed the breakout of the structure from this point and came into the area of liquidity. This is our area of liquidity. So from daily, if we and if we go to 1 hour, we can see the price has confirmed the shift here or here. So what we're expecting is a little bit deep into this area, then push furthermore up at the moment. So we expect it for dollar to be weak. That's how we anticipate. So we'll use other currencies and other instruments to confirm if everything will be all right on our side. Okay, this is gold. So let us analyze gold based on daily. So on our daily, when we do some analysis from gold, on our daily, we see we have the structure here. So we have this structure here and the above structure, this one. So price confirmed the liquidities were taken from this point. Looks like we had some other liquidities from this point here that price left behind, so it came to grab. We can see what did the actual price do from this point, just to give us some confirmations. Okay, from this point here, we have our long wick rejection. Looks like we have our long wick rejection from this point. So from this point also, we go to 15 minutes to see if price left any areas of liquidity. So yeah, we can see we have the area of liquidity. So this is our area of liquidity that was left behind by the price. We go inside here to look if we have any sort of engineered liquidity or flip, and that's where we'll consider it to be taken as our entry. So we see we have, this is our engineered liquidity from the area that was left behind. So this is This was the entry that made the price push from these levels, over here. Let me play out and see what the price actually did so that we can, yeah. So looks, this was the level that made the price to be pushed from this bottom, of which now we are sure that price gold is bullish at the time being. Now, if it's bullish, because price was confirmed here to be broken, the structure, but we haven't yet grabbed the liquidity from the inside formation that was made after the shift here. So the movement that was done from this point, we're expecting it to push until further, until here inside, so that we can grab the liquidity from the areas. So we go to 1 hour. Okay, we see 1 hour price shifted from this point. This is our shift point. And okay, sorry, I see a setup here. I can buy gold. Gold for a few minutes. I'll be buying gold. Yeah, I've seen a setup, a simple setup that I can scalp gold real quick. So price shifted from this point. So after shifting, price came to grab the liquidity at this point. So I also managed to grab this trade. My TP was somewhere here, but eventually price didn't tap. So I'm expecting it, as this push proceeds to the upside direction, to tap my TP. So we're expecting further momentum of the price to be kicked in when we'll be having this, what is called the CPI. So we're expecting some more bullish movement of the price to kick in after, because we already say that dollar will be weak, then gold will be strong. Also, as we take some consideration on GBP USD, we see GBP USD is strong because of this structure that was made here. There are a few things that I'll be posting as time goes by. So we have our daily structure that was confirmed broken, but the liquidity wasn't consumed. This was the good confirmation that price broke the structure, but the liquidity wasn't consumed. So for the liquidity consumption, we go down to look where the prices left the areas of liquidities behind. So sometimes you might find those engineered liquidities. Also, sometimes you might find some areas of liquidity that are not consumed. So as you can see here, we don't have any areas of liquidity that are not consumed at all. We can still push furthermore until maybe we spot something. Still no areas of liquidity, because there will always be a confirmation of you to take the trade. So as we consider, this is your area of liquidity that was left behind, this one. But the good thing is that if you be capable of waiting for the price until it kicks in here, I'll be talking, of course, I'll be creating a separate video of waiting for the price. Then it shifts, gives you the formation, then you take the formation. This will be a good idea for a good confirmation for you to consider whenever you want to trade. But if you would have to use this kind of area of liquidity that was left behind to consider it as your entry point, it's okay. But let's see what price actually did here, and then you look for any other possible setups. So this is how the price managed to do. It eventually got the entry from this point. So we have our shift, we have the formation. So this is our formation, this point is our formation. So inside this formation, because this now is price has already made the shift. So if price has already made the shift, this is the good confirmation that we'll still have some buys from the other direction, to the other direction, sorry. So we go 15 minutes to look for the engineer liquidity. We can see any, but uh, there are some people who will use the same structure to consider this. I mean, they will use this structure because it's untapped area of liquidity, but you can use it, or you can use this engineered liquidity, or if you use this area of liquidity that was untapped in 3 minutes, it's okay as well. But this engineered liquidity will be also okay for you to consider it as your entry point. So of which now we pray out, we see how price reacted to this one. So of which now price grabbed the liquidity, then proceeded to the upper direction. Now we're expecting price to hit this point we call FTA. I mean the turning point of the price. So this was 30 minutes. Yeah, this is the FTA, of which now also GBP USD is bullish. So we're expecting more bullish structures from from what's happening. Yeah. Even if we go to Euro USD, maybe let's check Euro USD. What's happening on Euro USD? Same thing. Euro USD bullish, just from the what you can see, but not shifted. There's not a shift here. On daily, let's see, is it at the area of liquidity? Yeah, but not shifted. Not shifted. So if we are at the shift, then it will be on 1 hour we have a shift and the formation. So let us wait and see what the price will have to offer us based on what we consider. Thank you very much, and maybe you'll enjoy trading. I mean, learning what I trade. So let's wait and see. Thank you. We have almost 5 minutes to time. So gold. You can check gold. Let me do some annotations here. Let me draw. Yeah, I see gold has dipped a little bit down. So expectation price will have to move from this point, because I entered from this structure here down. So which means now this will be my consideration of my entry point. And since I have the trades that are still learning, I'll have to lock my profit. Sorry. I'll have to lock my profit, then wait for what to see what price will have to offer. Three minutes to time. So that was my entry from that structure. I see gold still pushing further up. So this is what I consider. So let's wait and see what price we have to provide us. Thank you and enjoy the video. We have few seconds to go. Yeah, as like I said, that's it. That's what I said. And always enjoy what to watch the video. Thank you very much and have a good time.